Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your tax planning with TurboTax step by step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary financial documents. Collect your W-2 forms, 1099s, and any other income statements. Make sure to have your last year's tax return handy for reference. If you own a business, gather your profit and loss statements. Log into your TurboTax account or create a new one. Choose the right version of TurboTax for your needs. Select whether you're filing for yourself, a business, or as a self-employed individual. Begin the interview process by answering the initial questions. Input your personal information accurately. Proceed to enter your income details from your collected documents. TurboTax will guide you on where to input various types of income. Continue by entering your deductions and credits. Use the document organizer within TurboTax to identify deductions you may qualify for. Check for any changes in tax laws that could affect your return. Utilize TurboTax's built-in calculators for various credits. Review your entries regularly to ensure accuracy. As you complete sections, TurboTax will provide instant calculations. Use the What If feature to explore different tax scenarios. Make sure to take advantage of the Deduction Finder tool. Once you have filled in all necessary information, review your return. TurboTax will highlight areas for potential errors or areas to double-check. Consider using the e-file option for a quicker submission. Confirm your bank information for electronic filing or refunds. After completing your return, print or save a copy for your records. Lastly, ensure to file your state tax return if required. Follow any additional instructions for state filings as provided by TurboTax. Remember, staying organized throughout the year will make this process easier next time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.